Three, two, one.
Back.
What's the cow say?
Would you like it? No.
How my dog sleeps next to me.
Not allowed on the bed, you... No!
Then my head hit the wall.